It's that time of the day, guys. I'm in the kitchen and I'm all ready, so let's get cooking. Okay guys, so today I am going to make a pizza using a tortilla wrap. So this is a wholemeal tortilla wrap and I'm going to top it with some tomato puree and then top that with my scallion or spring onion, a little bit of feta cheese, some mushrooms, some fresh cherry tomatoes, and I've got 45 grams of peppered salmon, and this is the salmon that I use from Lidl or Aldi's. I have also got some parchment or greaseproof paper in a tin. This is my roasting dish because I don't have a baking tray, so either is fine, but the parchment paper, the greaseproof paper, will stop your dish from sticking. Okay guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, so here is my pizza. It's a little overcooked because I was distracted doing something else, but here it is. So I'm going to slice it with my pizza cutter, and there we go. Okay guys, I hope you found that useful, and I will see you on another video.